And it's day 2 of Orcas Island. Let's enjoy some beautiful breakfast in bed before we go out, land the drone in their girlfriend's car for recovery. As we do, we ain't on that basic stuff, but let's go enjoy the views of the island. First, girlfriend was like, chase the seagull, chase the seagull. So I'm like, all right, I will respectfully stay a good distance away. This image is a little bit zoomed in on the drone. I was not right behind it because we don't mess with the wildlife like that, but the girlfriend wanted it, so the girlfriend gets it. Let's explore the island. This is right outside of the main town, so now we're going to be driving a little bit to the east, little like southeast, and we're going to check out some area over there. But man, once we got into this park, we had to stop and take some amazing drone videos of her Alfa Romeo. Guys, this thing looks like it should be in a commercial, right? Let me know in the comments below how sick this looks. So beautiful. I just want to show you a little bit more of the scenery before we depart. We kind of end the day. We're just chilling, doing a little bit more flight.
Wake up to the sound of thunder, like it was in my ear. Are you gonna wait forever? I can see the stars reflecting, the empty tires made of steel. Everything but you is fading. I see your light, take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up.
It's getting a little late. Let's go get some dinner, huh?